dokie, we're still at the 2026 Painting and Decorating Show stroke installer show, and as I've said on other videos, I'm a bit sick of the painting and decorating side, so we've had a wander around the other areas. Now I've come across Paul, and I'm going to say I get sick of seeing social media where painters and decorators are working actually in socks. I don't think it fits with the health and safety policy, and seeing the stand that Paul's on, and you probably see it over my back shoulder, Paul has got a product that we want to try and promote to painters and decorators, we'll say plumbers, we'll say builders, anybody that probably works in the private house market, i.e. as trade. Now I'm going to swivel the camera around and we'll see what we've got actually on this stand. Howdy doody, Paul. Do you want to tell us about Clean Boot and where it all transpired from, and explain what the product actually is?
Absolutely, thank you, Phil. Well, this is the enemy. They're on every building site, job site, work site that you see. Single-use plastic, cheap and cheerful. Well, actually, they're neither. These kind of last 5 minutes. If you're lucky, they'll fit you if you're a size 10 or smaller shoe. If you're bigger than that, you're going to rip them as you put them on. When you have got them on, they're going to last minutes. So these end up, if they're lucky, they end up in the bin, but they end up blowing across the work site. A friend of mine in 2008 created the original Clean Boot. It's a reusable, washable shoe cover. And the USP of our product is this grippy, slip-resistant sole. So this is going to give you grip underfoot. It allows you to wear your soft toe or your steel toe work boots on the job site. So as Phil said, making sure that you're protecting your footwear when you're painting, decorating, quoting, doing your preparation. At the end of the week, if you've used it properly, it'll be dirty on the outside and grubby on the inside. All you need to do is turn it inside out, put it in the washing machine with the rest of your laundry, the rest of your workwear at 30 Celsius, and then it drip dries. It's made from neoprene rubber, so actually it only needs to drip dry, air dry for about a couple of hours, so it's not going to get soaking wet through. So that's the product. 3 main benefits. You're going to reduce your consumption of single-use plastics because they're wasteful, they're dangerous, actually slippery, those blue shoe covers. You're going to save money. Typically after 4, 5, 6 weeks, our customers tell us they're saving money. And thirdly, you're going to win more jobs. So when you're at the threshold with your new client, you offer to put these shoe covers on. It's going to set you apart from your competitors. You're going to show that you respect your customer's property, and also you're never going to get that dreaded call. You're chasing the invoice, and a week later, someone's saying, well, yeah, but you left some muddy footprints, so we've knocked 50 quid off the invoice. If you need to know any more, you can check us out online, thecleanboot.co.uk.
And also, did you say where else are these available for sale, if anybody wants to look?
Absolutely, you can buy them online at thecleanboot.co.uk. Yeah. They're on Amazon, eBay, they're in Toolstation, Screwfix, City Electrical Factors. If they're not on sale in a place you'd like to see them on sale, get in touch and we'll make that happen.
Do you know what? That's been brilliant, and you've done it all under about 3.5 minutes, which is fantastic. Thank you, Paul. I'll just scan down that and people get the idea.
Yeah.